Welcome Science with Belley. Today I'm gonna perform 扩散。我的名字叫白特乙，我4岁。Hi, my name is Belley. I'm 4 years old. Today I'm gonna perform diffusion.
Okay, and what are you using?
Warm water so I can see the colors, and then it will go through the plate.
And what kind of candy are you using?
Skittles.
Wow, okay, so let's see the first plate. Which one are you going to do first?
This one.
Okay.
Let's see. Did you say 1, 2, 3 already?
1, 2, 3.
Whoopsie.
That's okay, pour it all in, pour it all in. That's okay, that's okay. Okay, that's good, that's good.
It won't even make any colors.
It's working.
No.
Look. Look at the purple. It's diffusing. Ooh.
Pour more water in or what?
Sure, if you want to. A little bit more. Okay. I think it's working perfectly. The colors are diffusing to the middle. Do you want to try the other one now? Not yet. Okay.
It's almost all into the middle.
What do you think about it?
Good. After what do the Skittles do?
They'll just keep melting and diffusing. The colors will diffuse to the middle.
It's already in the middle.
So pretty.
Da, 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 da. Now what?
Now try the other one.
Okay. Good.
Mm-hmm.
And when will it diffuse? Oh, I see it now. Put a little more water.
Sure.
That's good. I made it even faster to diffuse.
Which one do you like better?
That one, since it makes the whole circle.
现在你说。
Bye-bye, Cindy Lucas too.
Thank you for watching. This is episode 2.